All right, guys, so I know the holidays just passed and I know it was all fun times, but I know a lot of your finances definitely took an impact. So what I wanted to do today is I wanted to show you 2 different ways that you can delete all of your consumer debt so you can be ready to take over 2024, okay? You should not be left behind, and I don't want you to, all right? So enough rambling, let's dive in. All right, the first company I want to show you guys is Debt Busters. I actually have a few supporters that have Debt Busters, and they have nothing but good things to say about them. They always said that they're straight to the point and they're very accessible and they really are here to help. They stated that they can reduce your debt to a fraction of what you owe, consolidate multiple payments into one, and be debt-free within 12 to 48 months. This is not me saying this, people. This is Debt Busters actually saying this themselves. And you can tell that they're actually here to try to help you attack all of your consumer debt, all the debt that you do not need, so you can continuously breathe freely out here. Because come on, let's just be honest. Having consumer debt is not the best thing in the world. Anytime that you actually pay for something, you're actually doing some type of mathematical equation here, like if I buy this, that means I can't do this. Yo, don't nobody want to live like that, all right? So let Debt Busters go ahead and try to help you eradicate a lot of this debt. All right, so the first thing they do is they start you off with a free consultation to set you up with how you can attack your debt and be debt free. Then they will help you pay the least amount. And I don't know if you know, but when it comes to a lot of consolidation loans, like other consolidation loans or anything like that, they really don't care. They're gonna tack on a super high interest rate where they're gonna get their cut off the top. But with Debt Busters, this shows that they're actually willing to actually help you. Here's an actual example of a couple where it would have taken them 12 years to pay off $32,000 of debt. But with Debt Busters, their debt reduced by 32%, and it's only gonna take them less than 2 years to pay it off. Come on, people. Debt Busters is here to eradicate all your needs and all your worries, all right? $32,000 in less than 2 years? Yo, that's crazy. And I know a lot of y'all have less than that, so it won't even take y'all 2 years to actually pay something off. It might take you 6 months. It might take you 4 months, 8 months, 12 months. But either way, you're gonna get over that hump. All right, and the next company that I have is Auto, and they're here to help you monitor and eradicate your debt as well. Now, with Auto takes all of your debt from your credit cards, student loans, auto loans, and many more, and uses AI to generate a breakdown of how you can pay off your debt in a manageable time. And no, this is not no ChatGPT and things of that nature and all these other free websites where AI is actually spitting an actual algorithm back out to you. No, this is not that. Auto actually takes into accountability the actual human behavior as well as a financial crisis and breaks all of that down into one to show how you can actually pay everything off. It's not going to actually tell you if you have $32,000 of debt to take just $32,000 of all that you have. No, they're not going to do all. They're not going to make things hard for you. They actually give you a general breakdown and where they actually got these numbers from everything that you gave it to show that this can actually be managed and actually be paid off in a very good timetable. And then on top of that, Auto takes no money from you. All of your payments go to the consumer itself. Auto gets no money. They're just the funnel to make sure that it actually gets there. So if it has to get paid to a credit card company, it goes straight to the credit card and the lender. No, they're not going to tell you to pay the minimum balance, so you can go ahead and get that out your head. All the lenders are going to get paid, I'm telling you. Now, when it comes to Auto is actually there to erase your debt in a fast time frame and help you become financially free. It's just like Debt Busters, but on a smaller scale. So if I had to choose between Auto or Debt Busters, I would have to say it depends on my situation. If I would say less than $10, $12, $15,000 in consumer debt, then yeah, Auto might be the best bet for you because it can generate an algorithm to help you actually pay everything off in a really manageable time. But if you have something that you're up to your eyeballs in debt, or even it doesn't even matter, even if it is less than $10,000 or $12,000, you still want to get Debt Busters to have an actual team there to help you actually pay this off, then be my guest. Click the link in my bios and they're going to be right there to try to help you eradicate everything, whether it's Auto or Debt Busters. I'm telling you. So if you use any of these options, you will be just like all of my subscribers and take control of your debt. And that's the number one thing you want to do. 2024 is all about making the next step to be financially free. Whatever you got to do to get there, make sure you get there. I want to thank you guys for stopping by. Now go get rid of your debt, all right? And until next time, ladies and gentlemen.